Okay. Hello, Miss. And for now, I will start with my presentation. And my presentation title and my I choose the company is the Tesla. This is the cover page, and my student name, student ID, passport, and I'm the single award degree. And this is the table of content. And for now, I will start with my introduction. Okay, where we start. Tesla was founded by Martin and Mark in 2003. The company's name is also terrible to Nikola Tesla as an inventor and electrical engineer. Tesla is an American company that independently develops electric vehicles and clean energy. Tesla's headquarters is located in Palo Alto, California. Tesla's main products designed and manufactured are electric vehicles, ranging from homes to power grids, with large-scale batteries stored, solar solar panels, solar roof tiles, and some related products and services. Tesla is one of the most valuable automakers in the world, and the company's market value is close to 1 billion US dollars. And as of June 2021, Tesla has produced and launched 4 models. They are Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. And the next, we will start with the portals of file sources. The first, the first factor is the threat of new entrants. New entrants refer to new companies entering the electric vehicle industry. New companies may affect the existing environment of the industry and may also affect Tesla's sales performance. But in fact, Tesla's business is difficult to be easily replaced by new entrants in the industry. The production of electric vehicles requires a high level of investment, technology, innovation, and professional labor. The development process will involve many different high levels. As a leading company in the electric vehicle industry, it is difficult for new entrants to compare with Tesla. In addition, the cost of manufacturing electric vehicles is also very high, which is very difficult challenge for new companies entering the industry. So for Tesla, the threat of new entrants is not very big. And the next, the second factor is about the threat of substitutes. Tesla has experienced the impact of substitutes on the environment of the automotive and energy solutions industry. The first is low switching costs. Low switching costs can promote competition within the industry. Low switching costs will make public transportation and lack as Tesla's alternatives to attract customers. This factor will have a great impact on Tesla's industry environment. Big impact, but Tesla is not really afraid of the threats from substitutes because with the continuous emergence of alternatives to different types of cars, the electric car industry actually emerged as a substitute for fuel-based cars. So for Tesla, it is said that the electric vehicle industry will not be replaced in the short term, but from a long-term perspective, The threat of alternatives is one of the factors that Tesla still need to consider. And the third factor is the buyer's bargaining power. Since the competition in the electric car market is not particularly fierce, the buyer's bargaining power is actually relatively low. So Tesla's car price is more expensive, which will leave a bargaining space for buyers. But in fact, buyers do not have too many electric cars of the same quality to choose from. So Tesla is generally in a dominant position when communicating with the buyers, but at the same time, because of the relatively high price of the Tesla's cars, the types of old and new cars in the automotive industry are constantly increasing. This has led to the fact that buyers can completely consider not buying Tesla's electric cars. Buyer bargaining power put pressure on Tesla's sales. And the fourth point is the bargaining power of the suppliers. Due to Tesla's extensive brand awareness and strong brand image worldwide, any suppliers hope to have business dealing with Tesla. Specifically, Tesla is a good reference company for suppliers to find more customers. This fact weakens the supplier's bargaining power with Tesla. From another perspective, the bargaining power of a supplier is directly related to the number of orders received by the supplier. The larger the order received by the supplier, the weaker the supplier's bargaining power. Tesla has always increasing the production of cars. So Tesla will definitely increase the next order volume to its suppliers, which will further reduce the supplier's bargaining power. And the last factor is the competition between peers. The competition in the field of electric vehicles is not very fierce because Tesla does not have many competitors in the electric vehicle industry. From Tesla's point of view, the competition of electric vehicles development and production require high technology and professional labor. So the number of companies that can develop such high-end electric vehicles is very small. So Tesla will naturally not be afraid by great competition. And the next, we will talk about the value analysis of Tesla. The first is the valuable. Tesla's financial resources are very valuable because these resources help Tesla invest in certain industry opportunities in a timely manner and also help Tesla to respond to external threats in a timely manner. Tesla's employees are valuable resources for the company because a large part of the company's internal employees is highly trained. These employees will bring more creativity and productivity to the company. At the same time, employees' loyalty to the company is also will be very high, which will make Tesla's entire company in the industry. Tesla's patent are a valuable resource for the company since the application for product patents will be protected by law. These patents can protect the company from selling products in the market without interference from any intellectual property rights, which greatly protect the company's legal rights and income. And if Tesla wants to license patents with other manufacturers, these patents will also provide Tesla with a portion of the this this leasing revenue. This leasing revenue. And the second is the rare. Tesla's financial resources are very rare. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla has financial resources that only a few companies in the industry can have. Those Tesla employees are are a rare resource for the company because these employees have undergone high quality training and are very skilled in technical operations. This is different from many companies. Tesla's high quality training, a good working environment, and high salary will ensure that these employees will not easily join the other companies. Tesla has a leading brand in the entering enter electric vehicle industry and has a very rare brand awareness and brand loyalty in the market. Next is the limitable. The most different thing for Tesla to imitate is its highly specialized technical knowledge. So far, other companies in the electric vehicle industry has been difficult to imitate. Whether it is the research and development, manufacturing of automobiles, or the application of in-vehicle technology, the cost of imitating the distribution network of Tesla Motors through competition is very high. This is gradually developed by Tesla Motors over the years. If competitors want to imitate similar distribution systems, they must invest a lot of research funds. The cost of mimicking the local material supply and meaning of the automobile uh, manufacturing plant is not so high. If industry competitors increase their investment in material supply, then the material supply is very likely to be taken away by the competitor. So, in the long run, from a point of view, the advantages of the supply chain temporarily owned may also be obtained by competitors. So the last is the organization. Tesla's financial resources are effectively organized to obtain the most important parts of the company's next plan as quickly as possible. These financial resources are often used strategically by the company to invest in the company's future development goals, where there are great benefits all through these resources to obtain certain opportunities and immediately eliminate the company's risks. Therefore, it can be seen that those capitals are one of the important sources for Tesla to maintain its competitive advantage in the market. Tesla's distribution network has always been one of the important factors for Tesla to maintain the competitive advantage of its products. Tesla used this network to contact customers by ensuring that all of its outlets can buy products and by observing the trends of the target market at any time, updating the company's product in real time, and then maintaining or expanding the company's market control to ensure can provide the company with a sustainable competitive advantage. Next is the recommendation. Yeah. Establishing an exclusive battery supply chain for Tesla itself, reducing cost as much as possible while continuously improving battery quality, considering expanding battery production scale, effectively improve battery manufacturing, manufacturing efficiency, and improving battery manufacturing process. The battery is an important part of Tesla's ability to maintain its market business advantage. With super workable software technology, Tesla can consider working hard on the workable software to turn Tesla's electric car into a large computer that can move at high speed, allowing customer to walk in the car, even if they do not have they do not bring the computer or mobile phone in the case of. And next is the reference. Yes, reference. And that's all my presentation. Okay, thank you, Miss.